Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel, Assistência Informática ao Domicilio. Today we're going to be unboxing this Tapo outdoor pan-tilt security Wi-Fi camera. So this is a 3.6 camera. It's got 2K resolution, night vision, 360 degrees visual coverage, smart motion tracking, and free person detection. So these are just some of the features it's got. Looking here at the box itself as well, on the other side we do have the model, which is a Tapo C51A. The features: 360 degrees, as I mentioned. It's got a 2K video definition with 3 megapixel. It's got two-way audio, night vision, wireless protocols, 802.11 PGNN at 2.4 gigahertz, and it is waterproof, rating IP65. On the other side, it's got a few more features such as patrol mode, activity zones that you can select. Also has local or cloud storage. You can put in an SD card so you can store your images there, or you can use the cloud storage, which is also a paid service. On the other hand, it does support micro SD cards up to 512 gigs, and it works with Google Home and Alexa as well. Let's go ahead and open this up, and whilst we are opening, if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button, and if you do like this video, please do hit that like button as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to set it up, get it working, and mount it as well. So opening the box. Right, so what have we got inside the box? We got a quick startup guide, another quick startup guide. We also have a QR code here for the setup guide, some notes here in relation to the warranty. We've got here a guide for the hose. We got the power supply connection. We also have the wall mount, and we've got the camera right here, as well as a spacer, and we've got the screws right over here. So let's have a look into the camera. Okay, so this is what the camera looks like, and so here we've got a speaker at the rear, and we should have the lens. Okay, so we got the speaker, we've got the lens right here with the sensors, and we should have a microphone. The microphone is right here at the bottom, and this is it really for the camera. This is it for the unboxing. I do have another video showing how to set this up, so I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to watch that one out. I already have a camera set up, so I'm just going to add this one in and add it to the app. So that's it then. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.